Again, so only like M series like head units, it's actually isn't going to select. If I go into reverse here, it doesn't like auto change the camera like format, so you can see that looks a bit like funny. Now that's because you have to select the exact camera like format, so you just got to go into like settings here. Sorry, car infotainment, scroll down to the bottom, about device, settings button, 8878, okay, backup setup, and there's two things you want to change: cam type and camera format. Now majority of other older cars and stuff are going to be like a CVBS and like NTSC. They could also be PAL, so if it's PAL, just change it over to PAL. And now what you got to do is you make sure you like set those and then push save up here, and then actually once you press save, the system's gonna like reboot, and then once it like reboots and we go into reverse, you'll like see it's the correct one. Now like this happens because yeah, so these units can't I like auto select the these units can't auto select the video type. So you'll see what happens here when this boots back up. So this will normally a quick boot, but just slow boots it out of the moment because like a setting changes happen. So we're going to reverse now, and you can see we're like back to like a good image. So that is what will happen.